Partnered with Operation Homefront, Petty Officer Second Class Robert Orr is a Navy veteran, and he had submitted his documentation to become an officer when his world got turned upside down after being diagnosed with a service-connected autoimmune disease that led to his medical discharge.
I don't know how you guys choose the right person or say someone is deserving of something like this. You don't even think it's real until it happens.
Pulte's ongoing commitment to the Built to Honor program and their continued partnership with Operation Homefront displays unwavering support to our men and women who do so much for all of us in our nation's time of need.
You got the whole community, police escort, flags everywhere, and just all these people that just want to say thank you for your service. And we didn't serve to come home and get a home, so we are definitely overwhelmed by that.
I think I feel like some people appreciate what he do, so it feels amazing.
Thank you for joining us here today as we celebrate and welcome your family to their new mortgage-free home as part of Pulte's Built to Honor initiative.
Okay, it's almost time.
6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
He's gonna give you the keys to your new home.
Welcome home, man.
Thank you.
It's been an absolute honor.
Welcome home.
My goodness.
Oh, wow.
I am most looking forward to having a community that I can be involved with. That's it for me. In my garage, of course.
I'm gonna make dinners.
Cook for everyone?
Yeah.
And I'm just here to say yes, dear. All right?
Toy car!
It means everything. It means like my kids, they're gonna grow up somewhere if it's safe. We're gonna stay one place forever.
It's your house. It's your home.
So having Operation Homefront and Pulte Group help us, it feels safe. It feels like we can't fail. And they're going to be there every step of the way with us. So we'll definitely succeed. We appreciate everything.